Hey guys, Gio here of Gio Belcoy Center. Today I'm going to show you uh, my small koi fry, Tancho koi fry, my potential. They're only potential, they're subject to be to change upon maturity. But although their potential, some will definitely maintain the red crest in their head. And based on my experience, I have already one that is around 10 inch, and some are 5 inch in the community tank, 5 to 6 inch or 7. I don't measure it yet, but for now I will show you the 3 inch. I think it's 3 inch or 2.5 inch potential Tancho koi fry upon the request of one of my customer. So without further ado, I'm going to show you um, my Tancho koi fry. It's a potential Tancho. So guys, let's go dive in. So here are they now, guys. Okay, let's take a closer look. This one is a very good potential Tancho Koako. Uh, the skin is very white, snowy white, and the red Tancho is very intense. So hopefully this will uh, the red crest will not disappear when it matured. Hopefully. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 potential Tancho koi fry, and I'll show you this one is a potential Showa. This is not Sankey, this is Showa. Even though as the red coloration is dominant, but this is a Showa. As you can see, the sumi or the black pattern is underneath its skin, so the base is black. If you take a closer look, yeah, this is a potential Showa, and this one also is a potential Tancho Showa. There are three. I have 3 potential Tancho Showa. This one is very nice. It's Doitsu. This is a Doitsu potential Tancho koi fry Showa. See, it's a Doitsu. Very good for collection and potential show type koi fish. So most of them are Tancho Kohaku. Let's remove some of the water to make it clear. The water is shallow. So guys, here's my potential Tancho koi fry. I have 3 Tancho Showa and the rest are Tancho Kohakus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 Tancho Kohaku and 3 Showa, Tancho Showa. And one of my favorite is this one, the Doitsu Tancho Showa. I think some of these Kohakus are Doitsu also. I've seen one or two, but I forgot which one is the Deutsch. Yeah, this is it for now, guys. So we'll return the fish so that they won't be stressed out. So if you have any question, feel free to leave in the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification button for update of my new videos. And also check out my koi fry growth development blog at jbelkoicenter.com. Koi breeding and koi fish meaning behind koi fish tattoo. And if you are interested to purchase on our products, koi fish paintings and koi jewelry, we are selling it also to our website. I'll be placing the link in the description below. Okay, so bye for now, guys.